SYTA stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this very brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Siyata Mobile is a decent $8.31 level. When it's pumping up as such, you know, in my eyes, they just light up, right? All I'm looking to do is doubling down or buying more. So how's this going to look like? Well, as the only person in the space with 40,000 videos, you know, I'm sticking to my edge and my rules because this is what I've tested for 40,000 videos. I'm not sure if I have any previous receipts with SYTA. Yeah, some mentionings. It definitely was mentioned before. Post-market's even higher than where we are currently. Yeah, so obviously the likelihood of us just breaking through some previous highs is high. But the only way that I'm looking to double down on this market is the price pulling down and then giving me some sort of a double break and a shift. But like I always say, randomly getting involved and buying, it's not going to happen, at least not from my end. And this is not financial advice, so I'll just do this in here. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with the indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.